Lise, if you're watching this, hey, how are ya? How you doing? I love you lots. Lise is my cousin. I just love him, man. He's the best. Anyway, so what are we doing today, you may ask? Today, we're removing the fucking lash extensions that I have on because I'm so tired of them. I can't do my freaking eyeshadow. I can't put on mascara. I can't put on strip lashes. I can't do nothing. So yeah, I'm just tired of them. And I want them off my face. So I'm gonna do that. And by how I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna do that using the extra virgin olive oil from Kroger and a Q-tip. What we're gonna do to the Q-tip is dip it and just soak it. I am assuming this is the right olive oil that I'm supposed to use. If it's not, then get the right one, but I guess we'll find out. So we're just gonna use a mirror. I really want these off my face because it's just, I can't be having this shit no more. Ah, okay, that burns. Oh, it's burning my eye. Fuck me. I fucked up. But are we stopping? Nah. Okay, so we're gonna put some on this little lid so we can get some and like not dip our Q-tip back in the whole last container. So we're just gonna pour some on here, okay, like so, not drop any, and just douse it in olive oil again, and then put it on our actual lashes. And I saw videos of people doing this, you know, using olive oil and coconut oil, but I don't have any coconut oil, so oh, see, they're already coming off. Hold up, let me see if I can zoom you guys in. There's a lash, and yay, it's working. I'm so happy. So we're just, oh look, another one came off. Do you see that? Do you see my lashes? Hopefully you can see it. There's like 2 on here, and took my natural lash with it. It's fine. That's what strip lashes are for, right? It's fine. We're just doing that back and forth motions. And you get that off of the fucking Q-tip. Oh look, another one came off. Okay, this is working. And I've only been doing this for like 5 minutes maybe. So, yeah, so we're just doing that. Just rubbing it back and forth. And just be patient with this, honestly, because we ain't trying to have our natural lashes fall off, so. Oh my god, that fucking burns! I just doused the other end in some more, and I'm just gonna run that on my lashes and the root of my lash. And then I'm gonna take a spoolie and comb my lashes. And I'm keeping my eyes closed because that burns like motherfucker and I don't want my eyes to burn. And now we're just gonna let it sit for a moment. We're just gonna let it do its little thing and like soak all and like break down the glue and like soak it all up and really nurture my lashes. So yeah, we're just gonna let that sit for maybe, I don't know, like 5 minutes. And I'll see you then. I just got like 4 lashes. I don't care. Okay. This is the final result. I don't want to keep doing it. It's been too long. I'll see you guys when I'm all done because this shit's taking fucking forever. Yeah, I'm recording with my eyes closed right now. See you in a bit. So, since the last time you saw me, I went to Target and I picked up my sister. I went to go get some conditioner and some cookies because I wanted cookies. So we're trying a different method because look, this alone, it ain't doing it for me. It ain't doing enough. So I looked up some more videos and I saw that you get a bowl with hot water, put that on your eyes, and conditioner and the olive oil. So all that together. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm putting that on my eye. Just pressing that. I guess they do this to like loosen it up, I guess, more. So that's what I'm doing. I'm desperate. I'm so desperate, guys. I just want these off so bad. But I'm also extremely impatient. So, okay, so I think that's good. I don't know how long it's been, but anyway, where were we? Coconut oil. Yes. Okay, so I got the oil. Usually what they do now is they take some conditioner. I'm using this one. So I'm going to take the conditioner and we go to town. Okay, so I see lashes coming out. I'm defeated. Okay, it's been about an hour since I last spoke to you guys and like told you guys what's going on. I've tried everything. The stupid coconut oil won't work. These lashes won't come off. Like, look, I already pulled some out because I'm so impatient and just desperate to get these off. My eyes like still red, but it hurts. Like right here, it's so tender and it just hurts at the touch. I'm getting so impatient and desperate, so I'm gonna go to Sally Supplies and get like this individual lash remover glue thing from Ardell and see if that works, and then I'm gonna ask around the workers and see if they know what to do, because my eyes just non-stop watering now because of the oil, because of how much I was pressing on it. And thank you for coming on this journey with me. I'll see you guys when I get these off. Literally, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do, but I'm getting them off today. That's it. I'm getting these off. I don't care how I get them off. I'm getting them off my face. Okay. Yeah. I'll see y'all in a bit. Hi again. It is currently 8:15 and I got my eyelashes done with the girl. Well, like, I got them removed with the girl who did my eyelashes because she was the only one available. So that's where I went. So at the end of the day, you know, I'm gonna let Linda hear and be like, nothing worked for me, basically. I did the coconut oil, nothing worked. Even she was struggling to like get them off because apparently they were like really glued onto my eyelashes or whatever. So yeah, I got them done. I got them removed professionally and I'm so happy they're gone. Actually, you can, I don't know if you can see that, but it's swollen and it's pink because of, I threw it away. I got this Ardell individual lash glue remover and I put that to try to take it off, and this is what happened. It got all swollen and irritated. It's all pink and it's like tender. So yeah, that's fun. At the end of the day, if all else fails, just go get them personally done. Do not pull them out yourself. Don't risk it. I'm excited to, when this goes down, go back to my makeup, go back to doing bold ass lashes. Strip lashes are my thing. I'm just gonna stick with that. I'm never doing lash extensions ever again. And yeah, so thank you for, you know, sticking with me and seeing my struggle while I, you know, had a mental breakdown at like 3 p.m. It's fine. They're off now. See you in the next one. Bye.